Hey guys, hello, namaste. So, my name is Ajay, studying I'm the third year from DMSF, and please subscribe to my channel for the more videos. So, in this video, I would like to talk about my medical kit. What are the instruments required in the MBBS first and second year? Okay. So, and also I would like to talk about the rates. Okay, cost also. Okay. So, without any delay, let's move on the video. So guys, first of all, in the first year guys, need to require a dissection kit guys. It's all about 4 to 500 rupees. So it's not mandatory to having individually. It's like a group work. So per one group, one medical kit is enough. I mean the dissection kit is enough in first year. And also you need to require a lab gown like this one. See, this is lab gown. Okay. So it will be provided by college. If you it will cost around 4 to 500 also. Okay. So in the first year you need to just require a dissection kit and a just lab gown. Okay. So second year, what are the medical kits, what are the instrument required? So let's begin guys. This is my medical kit guys. Okay. So actually this medical kit contains why this medical kit guys, for the in the second year we are having a physical examination. We need to do physical examination, so that purpose only in the second year. So in third and fourth year we are having some surgeries. I will show you those gadgets in the second and third or fourth year. Okay, first of all let's know about the medical kit in second year. Okay, so it's this one. Okay, so first of all I'm going to open the first of all I'm going to open all. Okay, so guys, this is my all medical kit guys. Okay, so first let's go one by one. So this is the tongue depressor guys. Okay, tongue depressor is wooden one. So in order to examine the tongue or throat, we can't touch by one or by our hand. Okay, we just need to take this. This is the tongue depressor by like this. Okay, so this is tongue depressor. This is compulsory, and that's while doing the gag reflexes. And guys, and this is the pen light guys. Pen light. So if this is kind of batteries, so pen light is for this, having the light here. So pen light is for checking the any people reactions, or like the to check the like any having throat swelling like this. Okay, I can easily tell see with this gadget. Okay, this is the pen light. Okay, and this one guys, this is the guys, this is thermometer. And next one, this is the hammer. This is a percussion hammer guys. So percussion hammer is for the check the tendon reflexes guys. So to check the tendon the tendon reflexes guys. So in any neurological defects, this is the percussion hammer. And this one guys, this is the measuring tape to measure the like a pregnant woman, their fundus size, and also you can check the lesion measurement. Okay, lesion any having. So this is the measuring tape. And this one is see, this is the tuning fork guys. This hammer for this. So this is tuning fork is for the to check the sensory motor functions, like you check the vibrations. Okay, vibrations, and also check for the hearing problems. You can do Weber test like beat like this and kept here. As you have to perform the different types of examination for this. Okay, it's a tuning fork. Okay, and this one, this is the a sphygmomanometer. It is a sphygmomanometer. Okay, this is the sphygmo. Take the blood pressure. This is the inflator, and this is the timer watch. This is the cough. So this is the cough guys. This is the this is the okay sphygmomanometer to check the blood pressure. So in second year you are going to know how to measure a blood pressure. okay. So and guys, this is the guess what is this? It's a stethoscope. See, this is a golden chain for a doctor, okay. For this millions of billions of students are waiting for this, okay. This is the you need to must and should buy the, it's a Littmann, okay, it's a Littmann stethoscope. In Philippines, I know only the Littmann is allowed for the for medical students, okay. So it's a Littmann. And guys, and this one, so can you please zoom it here? So guys, this is the ophthalmoscope, guys, ophthalmoscope. So this here they are having the batteries also. You have to insert the batteries here, and also ophthalmoscope for checking the eyes, something like you have cataract, or check the sclera, cornea, retina. You have to check the inner side. So you having the plus and minus. We having convex and concave mirrors. So you have to adjust here and see here that any problems, okay, like a retina, cataracts, okay, cataract, okay, like a retinopathy. You can easily see with this help of this ophthalmoscope. And also guys, this is the otoscope. You can see here any if you have an otoscope for the any you can clearly see the internal organs of the ear. So you can see here clearly it contains a light, okay. So it also having a battery here, okay. It is the otoscope. So that's it guys. They are all about the instruments you have to must and should carry in the second year, okay, in the second year. So what's the prices guys? What's the prices for the all these? So for the prices guys, manometer it will cost around guys at up to 1240 pesos or else 1832 rupees. You just clearly see into my screen, okay, what the total costs, okay. So sphygmomanometer it cost around 1200 to 40 pesos or 1832 rupees. And also tuning fork guys, tuning fork this is also about the, it contains a total price of 460 rupees pesos or 779 rupees. And yes, all are cheap on again, all are cheap. If you want to buy in college, they will recommend you a certain branded instruments, so you have to buy that one. But we no need to buy that one branded actually. So you need to buy this Littmann only, okay, stethoscope only Littmann. They will recommend you the brand name. This is the Littmann class 3 guys, okay. You have to, this is okay, you have to follow your college recommendation. This is the you must and should buy only Littmann class 3. That's it. Remaining all you can buy another brand, so it will be having the low cost, okay. So almost all costs are equal guys, in either in college or outside. Only the higher prices is guys this one. This is the otoscope and ophthalmoscope. These two gadgets only it cost about 14,000 pesos. It means approximately 20,000 rupees. Only these two gadgets. So that's why it's not mandatory. If you want to share with your friends, you can buy with like that only. So in India, I think it's really low prices. So it's better to buy in India. Okay. So this two gadget only it cost about 14,000 pesos, means 20,000 rupees. Remaining all are in college or in outside. Remain all are equal prices. Okay. So these are all about the medical kit. So whole medical kit it will cost around guys up to 20 to 22,000 pesos, or else it will around 29,000 rupees. Okay. So these are all about the medical kit. Okay. So so these are all about the medical kit guys. So it will cost around 29,000 rupees. So if you want to buy in India, you can buy in India. Okay, India. When you are completed your MD first year, when you went back to for vacation, you can just buy. So guys, these are all about the medical kit guys. So better to buy in India only. Okay, especially guys this one auto and ophthalmoscope. Okay, better to buy. And also one keep one thing in mind that only buy only Littmann only, okay, Littmann only, okay. They are all about the medical kit that are required in the second year, okay. In third and fourth year I will update later, okay. So if you have any more questions, just comment below. Thank you.